Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll create this categories view inspired by Apple's categories in the Mail app. I'll also show you how you can persist the last selected category so the user can continue from where they left off. Let's get started. As you can see, I've defined custom colors for this example. You can either use them or system colors of your choice. I'll define an enum for the categories in this example, since I'll be demonstrating predefined categories, but you may use a struct or class if you are planning to let users save their own categories. For each category, I'll also define an icon and a color. As I mentioned, you can use system colors as well. Let's define a state variable for the selected category for now. Later in this video, I'll show you how to persist this selection. I'll use a horizontal scroll view. Inside it, we have an H stack with spacing. Then I'll place a button for each category. We need an isSelected property to easily configure the appearance of each button based on whether it's currently selected category or not. If you read the button section, which changes the category selection in our case, with animation, you'll get a nice smooth transition. Today I'll explicitly use a spring animation to make it feel more dynamic. For the button label, we'll use the categories icon. And if a category is selected, we'll also display the category name. You can adjust the padding to whatever looks visually appealing to you. For the background shape, we'll use a capsule. The color will be the category's color when selected or gray otherwise. I'll also make the icon and text white when a category is selected. And finally, I'll hide the scroll indicators. As you can see, we have a nice animation when the category selection changes. In the Mail app, when the user deselects a category, the all mail category is automatically selected. We can mimic that behavior with an if-else structure inside the button section. Now, if you tap a category that's already selected, the all mail category is automatically selected. Normally, you can easily persist the selected category by replacing the state wrapper with AppStorage. However, you may notice that the animation seems broken. This is because AppStorage immediately writes the selection to disk, whereas a state variable lives in memory. We will fix that. Let's go ahead and open the view where you want to use these categories. I'll use two variables, one for persistence with AppStorage and another for SwiftUI animations with state. Pass the state variable down to the category view using a binding. Inside the view stack, I'll place the categories view. Now, suppose you want to display different content for each selected category. For this demonstration, I'll show the category icon and name in the view. Here is the important part. Our state variable lives in memory only as long as the view is alive. When the view first appears, we need to initialize the state variable with the persisted category. Then, to keep the selection persisted, we assign the selected category value to persisted category whenever the user taps a new category. This way, the app remembers the last category the user selected, while still maintaining the smooth animation when switching between categories. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video to support us.